Some leaves must fall.
What? I love Minesweeper.
It's not even close to winning anymore. It's like fucking up bad somehow. Oh my god. Ah. Money, please.
Dark Monkey.
I have a plan.
You do? That's cool.
There's a part of me that's worried. That
Hey, Dark Monkey, Dark Monkey, Dark Monkey, Dark Monkey!
I didn't realize I started on 10.
Oh my god.
What was I saying? I'm worried that there's a little quirk that's gonna make what I'm thinking of not work for no good reason.
Is that why you're not telling me what it is?
That's why I'm not telling you what it is.
Okay. Cool.
Money.
Yeah, I knew that.
The animatronics do tend to be a bit quirky at night.
That's so true, actually. I never thought about it like that.
I thought we were about to.
You thought you were gonna lose there?
All
Yeah.
the way back to round 13.
Man, I love Minesweeper.
This. stupid fucking round, dude. This round is so dumb.
I should move this a little smaller. Put it like here, maybe. Yeah, that's good. Maybe a little smaller.
Okay,
Yeah,
money.
there we go. Yeah.
Fellow traveler.
We're gonna play through round 20, and we're gonna play through round 21, and I'm gonna tell you the
Then you're gonna buy the. Oh, you're gonna do something else. I don't know what you're gonna do. Okay.
Place the bottom right beast handler. 0, 0, 0.
I have to find where it's placed again. It's like here.
The quirk.
0, 0, 0.
The quirk I am worried about is that if you don't have any upgrades, the extra range does not count for intel. That would be stupid. If that is the case, that's why this might not work.
Okay, I see.
But I really don't think it is the case.
I see.
Go.
It works. Okay.
We're finally out of round 22 purgatory again.
Okay. We're making
Saving up
progress.
for air
We're
bursts
making progress.
And we
Okay.
have the breast handler down.
Progress. Back to Minesweeper.
Inner peace.
Air burst. Is that
Right. Not quite. Next round.
Yeah, it should be this round. Or the middle of next round all of a sudden because of beast handler, huh?
Mm-hmm. That's okay. Not Beast Handler. Come on. You can
The
read.
breast handler.
Hell yeah.
What is next?
I don't know.
Full metal.
Something, yeah. Okay. And then Heli, right?
Heli in a different position.
On the left side,
On the left side, it seems like it board the heli, which actually won't be for a good bit.
Put it in that bottom bend, or like the middle bend, I guess.
I'm seeing it, yeah.
Yeah,
My
because then it covers the most track.
There's a part of me that just, like, in my mind, the heli's intel is fucking tiny. It's not that small. Money?
Yeah, I knew that. You can get it. Oh no, it's 17, not one.
It's this round.
For some reason, I thought it was like 11:15.
Okay. That is pretty small, actually.
But it's something. It sees the track, and that's what's important.
And it will see the camo.
No.
Do not speak it into existence.
Here's your money. What's next? After this? Oh, IFR,
Okay.
and then...
I didn't say it, and therefore we are fine. I was worried I wasn't going to be able to get IFR for round 33.
Oh, Calamari Incantation started. Yeah, so...
We're
we
fine
literally
now.
can't lose. It's literally impossible to lose now.
Right? Okay.
Yep,
Here
here you go. Also,
What is up, guys?
It's either triple guns or faster firing, and I don't remember which.
Triple guns comes first.
Okay.
We're so much safer on rounds on the right 2 lanes now because of extra intel.
Mm-hmm. That's so much intel too.
Dude, the Beast Handler's so good for intel.
Why don't we just buy instead of that top right dart monkey? Why don't we just buy a beast handler there?
Cause base Beast Handler is garbage?
Well, don't we have intel by then? No, we don't. Never mind. No, we don't. You're right.
We don't even have a sub by that time.
Yeah, no, you're right. I'm just dumb and forgot my rounds. Sorry, I'm busy playing Minesweeper.
So true. I need money.
No, you don't.
Want it in the middle of this round? Thank you.
Yep. Whoa, didn't mean to make that full screen.
Round 35. Do you have more money?
Very far. Okay, okay. Progress. Set up.
Slow it down. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa,
Wait.
that was scary.
Dude, I hate the pace on this round.
This one is the sun,
So...
and then the next one is the no stun. And we're safe. Yup, okay, and then I give you money. For what are we buying?
We're saving up for downdraft.
Right.
If we lose to the combos at the end of this round, I'm going to cry.
We can't lose to the camos at the end of this round, is the thing. So...
Thank you, Intel. For being the best upgrade in the game. Period, honestly.
What if every tower got advanced intel?
I mean, the game would be too easy.
True, actually. True. So true, actually.
Okay. White.
Okay. I got so far, I got so scared. Okay. Okay. So now we get.
Now we're saving up for downdraft.
Now we get downdraft. Should be in the middle of this round.
We're making progress.
Yeah. Okay. And then by like 42 or something, I got the top left beast handler, right?
Top left Beast Handler 002 is what we want. After I get Deadly Precision. So I'll tell you when.
Okay, I'm gonna hide the Minesweeper window. I think I think we're good on that for now.
I think we're on a run. The Beast Handler's gonna poke the Moab once, I think. Okay, what's the Beast Handler's damage? Is that 10? It's gonna go up by a very small amount.
10, I think. I think 10.
Be wary.
I do not think the poke
Is it-
does 10 damage.
Oh, maybe it's 5.
It did not poke.
Okay. Okay.
We're getting Deadly Precision.
Yep. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Are we getting Deadly Precision? Actually, this is the round that's scary. I think we might not get Deadly
No, it's
Precision.
next round that's scary.
Well, yeah, exactly.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I meant when I said this round.
Let's see.
I don't... How did we get Deadly Precision? What? How much money did this round make?
A lot of money. Still going.
Yeah, I don't think we'll be able to get the Beast
Don't-
Handler if I get Deadly Precision.
Okay.
Okay.
We can't even get Deadly
So-
Precision. Okay.
Top left Beast Handler 002.
What if I just bought Ben right now?
Don't fucking do that. I swear to God.
Rules are made to
Was
be
it
broken.
that high? Oh,
Yeah.
yes, it was. Okay. 002. Horned Owl.
On which
How
path? On the second path? Yeah? Right?
That is the path it should be targeted on. How much money do you
Okay.
have?
16.
Get the top right Beast Handler. Get the Griffin. Is it a Griffin? It's not a fucking Griffin. Griffins are real. The Gerfalcon. And merge it into the Horned Owl. So from this point on, you're going to have to change the Beast Handler's targeting to the front of the round's track every single round.
Okay. I can do that. Should I get the second Falcon at the bottom right, or?
Not yet. Actually, you can afford Horned Owl. Get that. Get that.
Okay.
Because that's what I was planning on getting, and I realized we had money for it. Okay.
Here we can. Okay, now we can save it for Deadly Precision.
Please, please, please. I don't know why I'm worried. We have intel. We have camo intel now. That's the point of this.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. You've got to remember to change Beast Handler's targeting.
Yep.
So, top left.
Hitting the thing, top left, there we go. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, give you the money, change the
Middle
thing.
left.
Yep. There we go. Back to giving you money.
So after main Moab, we're gonna get instantly. We're not gonna get anything until Giant Condo. That's what we're gonna be buying after main Moab.
Let's see this.
So
There we go. Got it.
is it on the right?
Yep.
track?
Yep. Yep. Or no, we're saving up for Giant Condor, right?
We're saving up for main Moab, then Giant Condo.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Inner peace.
And then move
Wait.
here. Got it. Good to go.
That was a very easy round. Back
That
to
was a very easy round.
I
There we
think
go.
I noticed some ceramics. Deadly Precision.
Yeah, that's all I heard. So we should. I think after this round you get it with the bonus cash. Oh, okay. Next round. Got it.
Yeah, I mean, it's
Yeah, I think.
the important round to get it by is obviously 50, because that's when the next Moab shows up.
Okay, you can get it now.
I'm not getting a mid round because Helly.
That's fair. That's very fair. Okay. You're good now.
Main Moab.
And then save for Giant Condor.
Yep. Or, well, get Golden Eagle, obviously.
Well, yeah. Duh. But...
And you're... So, top left beast handler is going to be the Pouakai.
Mm-hmm. Should I upgrade this bottom right one, or...?
Not yet. Because
Not yet.
we need Giant Condor before we start merging anything else in.
Got it. Okay, I can do that. Or...
Top left.
Yeah, move it. Sorry. Okay.
I'd give you money mid-round, but there's no hotkey for it.
Yeah, there isn't, is there? Golden Eagle.
Good. At the end of that round? Okay.
Yep, yep.
This round's gonna be easy because main Moab.
You say that and immediately slow down.
I forgot about fucking leads. They scared me a little bit. But we're fine.
Yeah.
I think
okay.
the scariest round coming up is going to be 59 because we beat it. It's just terrifying because we have to rely on Psy to get like every single camo left. Right?
Okay.
I'm
Also, it's targeted. We can.
I'm gonna check. In. Okay. Yeah, we get Giant Condor very soon. But then I'm actually so worried about round 59 because what if I'm wrong about the lead thing? Okay, we're totally fine on round 59. What track is it targeted on? Okay.
I think they should get it after this round. 6K?
Yeah. 6K, yeah.
7K now? Yeah.
It would be in the middle of this round if...
Oh, okay. Whoa! I forgot to switch it! You didn't let me switch it!
It's fine. It's fine.
You're good. Okay.
We're good?
I got it. Yeah, we're good. Do that!
I sense
More careful.
Hey.
From now on. Giant
Okay.
Condor. Okay, so now we want to get just the tier 1 upgrade on the bottom right, and we're going to get the bottom left.
Tier 1. Hold on, I'm gonna get the placement for the other one.
That way
Just
we
like-
have global range on the Giant Condor, and then from there, it's just going to be upgrading
Right here.
each to tier 3, and then to tier 4 each.
Okay. Got it.
Is that one not...
No, I don't have enough.
Money. Okay. Middle right? Right?
It's there. It's there.
They should be smooth sailing till Pouakai.
There's that.
Merge it in, and then...
Yeah. Don't have enough
Get everything tier 2, get everything tier 3. That's how we're gonna
Yep.
get it.
Got it.
Middle left?
Right. Yeah.
No, left.
Clears. in a video game.
Twitch.
In a video game.
So true. Both tier 2.
Tier 2s.
Okay. Left.
And then change targeting. Boom. There we go. Oh, I thought that was it for the round. I was like, that's an easy round. Okay. And then change charging. Money. Money. Yeah. Tier 3 on the one of them. There we go. Okay.
Okay. Should be another tier 3.
Yep.
And it's on the top right. Good.
Top right. Yeah.
The reason I was scared around 59 is because I forgot Giant Condor pops legs. I thought it wasn't till Pouakai for some reason. Okay.
Not quite enough. Next round I should get it though.
The final 2-3.
Yeah.
Alright.
More shall come.
Yep. Golden Eagle. There we go.
Be wary.
I fucking love this goddamn bird. Leftmost.
Yep. One sec. There we go.
$63 sounds scary, but I assure you it is not. I
Okay.
will slow things down just in case something goes wildly wrong. So I could use size abilities, but we should not.
It's targeted. Don't worry. I got it.
Yeah, no, I was just waiting for my heli to move back.
Oh. Forgot about lag. This is a long round. Okay. Never mind. It's not that long.
Set it to
Yep.
right track. Good.
Got it.
Slow. Just in case. But you can see, like...
Oh, I see all the... Yeah, okay, I see all the ceramics. Yeah.
Totally owns it.
There's multiple waves, right? That's why 63
Yeah.
kind of sucks.
But... Ninja Kiwi, this thing does not need a nerf at all. It is perfectly balanced. You don't even need to patch it for being extraordinarily busted because of a glitch.
Hold.
Okay, that's where it's like really
Yeah.
scary.
That
Okay.
that one has like...
That's the last
20%
wave though,
max.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
I'm really close to second tier 4.
Yep. You got on the right track?
Yeah, it's good. Okay. If you give money, I got it. There we go.
Awesome.
2 of 4. Retarget. Oh, okay. There we go.
Forgot you didn't retarget yet. Whoopsie.
Okay. How much does Pouakai cost again? 32k. Why is it so cheap?
It's so cheap.
I love for that. I mean, to be fair, in reality, it's like a 70k tower.
Yeah, the tower itself, yeah, like 71k. It's crazy. Middle left.
Yep. There we go. It's good. It's retargeted. We're good. You're good to start
Really?
once your heli gets there.
Heli's so slow. there's still more.
Yeah. Alright.
Money.
68.
Red is the color of destiny.
It sure is, Sai. Sure is.
Awesome. Retargeted. Good. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, whoops. Almost forgot to retarget.
Far right, right?
We're good. Yep, we're good.
When I ask if you're on the right track, it is not only a check to make sure you're on the right track, it's a check to make sure I have my heli on the right track. That should be another giant condor.
That's another one. Yep. Hold on.
No, right.
There we go.
I believe we get Pouakai in round like 83.
That would make sense. Bum, bum, bum. So we get power car and then we go for this factory, right? That's how this works?
Yes, and then it's going to be a 0-2 force factory with a 4-0-1 alchemist. Then we're gonna get a camo jungle drums village for the main Moab.
Mm-hmm.
And then we save it for Perma-Spike.
Okay.
So, right track, here's money.
Woo! Buddy! The bird is so funny.
It's so fucking funny.
Like, look at it go! I think the sharks are funnier though.
They were funnier when they weren't patched.
I think they're still funny. No, I mean like their animations.
That is true.
But yeah, overall the bird is funnier.
Would this be fourth giant condor? Question mark.
Maybe.
Yes.
Yeah. Wow. Nice.
We are on the right track.
Yep.
Next up is 76, and 76 will also, just like 63, be way easier than normal. I'm just gonna stun those.
I think it's fine anyways, yeah.
Yeah,
I think it would have
was
been fine without it.
But, like, fuck those
That's fair, it was kind of scary.
Especially because the bird might have went and picked them up and that could snowball.
That's true, actually. Yeah.
Okay.
I think it would have been fine anyways, so.
You have
Even with that. Yep.
I'm
We're
ready
good.
to press the ability in emergency, but we should not have to. What is this bird?
Bird is the word, you know.
Holy fuck, everybody's heard about the bird. It'd probably be better if you got the Perma-Spike, that way you could upgrade it, like, without me having to move my heli, you know?
Mm-hmm.
But we are not there yet. This round might also be a little scary. My fingers are on the abilities. Nope, okay, we're good.
Awesome.
Leftmost. Right, that's the scariest part about this. The first and like maybe second ZMGs. The giant condor cannot grab them. Actually, the first one isn't scary because we have a main Moab. It's when there's like 2 of them. But I think we get the Pouakai in time. Dude, I fucking hate YouTube playlists. This playlist has like 50 songs on it, and I have only heard like 7 throughout the stream.
Are they just like long songs or what?
No, it keeps playing the same ones over and over.
Mine are not like that. That is a you problem.
YouTube Shuffle is so bad, and it keeps turning itself off.
My shuffle is fine. I don't know what your problem is.
On the right lane.
Even mountains crumble.
Oh, right, so I can target Moabs now. Hell fucking yes.
Awesome. Oh my god.
Rightmost. I need to check something real quick.
Hey, look at that. We got to the round I paused at. For the locations.
Oh, nice. Alright. It's on the right track. Good.
There is no bloom. So soon.
Targeted. We're good.
Okay. This round is a lot of not Moabs. There is Moabs, but a lot of not.
Even mountains.
Alright, we're getting close. Oh, whoa. Okay.
Thank you, Psi ability.
That's a little... That was a little scary. I think I get it after this round, though.
If it's after this round, that's the...
We would probably get it mid-round if you were giving me money, but it's safer not to. Yeah. Awesome.
Bird up.
Okay, next we're trying to get the 220 village for Moab. Wait, no. Next, we're trying to get this factory.
What side? Right side of it, right?
Bottom right, and we want to be on the right side of that track. That way, it doesn't try placing. What can you?
How do I build this?
All
right, yeah, I get it.
Thank you, Chipley BTD, for following.
Oh.
I
Epic.
think get smart spikes and put it on.
Well,
smart.
yeah, but do I just go to smart spike immediately?
I think smart spikes. It really doesn't matter, but just get smart spikes, put it on smart. That way we don't have to do it.
Right.
Okay, I need to.
And then long life, or I think you would build bigger stacks, right?
No. We're doing middle path.
Oh, faster. Okay. 025.
Yeah, I'm checking something real quick. Okay. Blah blah blah. You got on the right track, right?
Yeah. Oh, you meant that? Yeah, I said that earlier.
Mountains crumble.
Safe for safe. Okay. You should be able to get it to 024. The spike factory.
Yeah. Wow, that is cheap. That's crazy. Why is that so cheap?
And you should be able to place a 00 alchemist.
Where do I put that? Does it matter?
Just make sure it only gets the spike.
Well, yeah, but
It's not like it could buff the beast handler anyway.
yeah.
Alright. Pouakai doesn't even need to be on the right track this round, but put it on the leftmost.
Yeah.
Actually, put it on the rightmost.
Okay. No, I don't want to risk it.
It's
I don't wanna
fine. We're not gonna pop the ZMG.
I don't know what this round is.
Oh wait, actually, it's just two ZMGs.
I really don't want to risk it.
Fine.
We've come so far.
Once the alchemist is buffing the spike factory, it is gonna be important to sometimes put it on the rightmost track.
Yeah. Yeah. No, I.
For now, we can do this.
There is no bloom.
Okay.
My awareness grows.
It should be like a 301 with that money.
No, just 300.
Okay. Alright, right track. Oh. Until... Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're playing chips at the same time. Anyways, hello. That's right track. Right? Okay. We're good.
Even mountains.
And I can get 301.
I'm checking. I'm gonna pick each round now to see where the Pouakai goes. 87 goes on the rightmost track.
Okay, this is 86 though. Oh no, this is 87.
This is 87. Okay.
And then I can leave it there for 2 rounds.
Grab it.
Behold the blow
And go.
between a
I love this fucking bird.
even mountains.
No.
Alright, yeah. 400 Alk? Or 401?
Yep.
Alright.
And then we go for Perma, right?
We go for village on the
okay.
name Moab.
Okay, you're getting the village.
Mine? Okay.
Or do you want me to get? I can get it if you want.
It'll be fine.
Yeah.
Alright, we're on the right track. I do believe 89 is... I'll check. I'll check 89. Okay, give me money so I could get what I can of the village.
Yeah.
The camo part is the
There you
more important
go.
part.
Yep.
Alright, let's check 89. Okay. 89 is still on the rightmost track.
Yeah.
Right, I think I need the downdraft.
Yeah.
Even
Okay.
mountains crumble.
Get the beefies. Come on,
There we go.
dumbass bird. Okay.
Knowledge.
More money?
Right. There you go.
Almost jungle drums. We'll get it after this round. I need to check out 90.
Is 90 is? I'm assuming probably not, but we should probably still check.
It is still on the rightmost track. But
Yeah. Oh, okay.
the fact that the sniper now has camo, I think we want it to not be.
No.
We want it
Okay.
to be on the left middle.
Okay.
So fucking scary.
You cannot have light without darkness.
Awesome. 91. I don't know. For all these left track ones, I'm assuming they're all the way on the left.
Yeah, this is on the leftmost track.
Yeah, that
The
makes
jungle
sense.
drums, we're now saving up the Perma-Spike.
Okay. And then Perma-Spike is the last thing we get, right?
Okay.
Oh, no,
Friend-
Ben is the last thing we get.
Ben is the last thing we get. We always have our panic button, but we are good.
Even mountains crumble.
Well, after the Perma-Spike, we actually do get a 200 village
On what?
on the Perma-Spike. After Perma-Spike, though.
Oh,
Not now.
okay.
So, let me check 92 to see the positioning again.
I'm also assuming that's on second path, but...
Yes, second to left, middle left. Okay, we're good. Keeping it slow just in case panic button.
There is no blue.
This one could be on the right one, I feel like.
This
Like
one
the-
does.
Yes? No?
let me-
Yes? No?
I'm checking to make sure this isn't a death attempt in challenge editor. Okay.
Yes or no?
It is on the rightmost track.
Okay.
It's on the rightmost track.
Yeah.
This one needs to go slow, though. You'll see why. And now,
Stillness.
good.
On this one.
There is no bloom.
Okay. Keep it on the
Huge.
rightmost track.
Leave it there. Yeah.
Ah, knowledge. Even mountains crumble.
I believe 95 is on its own track, though, because it's 95.
There's a lot. Yeah. Hold on one sec. Okay, there we go.
But I'm checking.
I would also assume that it's there, but
This is, like, the second most important check.
the first being all of early game.
Well, I mean, like, second most important track check.
I'm so tempted to play Ben right now. You have no idea.
I don't want you to, because one, we could be like $1,000 short for Perma-Spike.
I know.
And two, it could mess with size leveling. I'm paranoid about that.
I know, but it'd be so funny.
You can place Ben on round 100.
I know.
Okay, yeah, it's on the right track. I'm keeping it slow the moment DDT's coming. I'll keep it slow from here. The bird's so glitchy because it keeps trying to drag things, but they die. I'm ready to stun if necessary.
You cannot have light without darkness. There is no bloom.
Let's go. And then this one is probably gonna be there. And 97 is probably gonna be in town.
96 is on the middle left.
Yeah. I'm assuming the rest are all on their own.
No, because 97 is just 2 fortified ZOMGs, so we can drag it out all the way
Oh,
to
it
the
is.
right.
Okay, yeah.
But this one
Ah.
here, I have the sun just in case again. There's also a round where panic button will work.
There is no bloom.
Very cool Pouakai.
So stressful. Good though. Okay.
Alright.
Rightmost track.
Yep.
Can you buy Perma-Spike?
like 100 off.
Mid round. Like
Yeah.
keep you have it on the right
Yeah.
track. Just keep Perma-Spike open and spam slash.
I'm just gonna click it.
Okay, sure. Okay, just drag them over. Thank you.
Awesome.
Fucking love this bird.
There we go.
There's
Okay.
And then the village, right?
Yes.
And 98 is on its own? Yeah?
I'm checking.
I'm guessing yes, but...
I think it might not be. I think it's safer to have it moved to Perma-Spike. Moving to Perma-Spike. Rightmost
Okay.
still.
Okay.
I'm keeping this slow, actually. That way I can panic button if I need to.
even mountains crumble.
But I really don't think I do. Just pick some
Yeah,
fruits.
something tells me we're fine.
I love... Grab those. Pull those back. Thank you, Sai.
You saw very cool. Oh, village. Wait, hold on. I forgot to do that.
Yeah, jungle drums. Now, technically, I did this one on the rightmost track, but it was so close to fucking
Okay.
so we're not gonna do that. It is on
We're
middle
not.
right.
Yes?
Keep it
On
slow.
the
Keep
right.
your buttons ready.
Buttons ready. This is the final scary round. Round 100 is free. Oh my god. Holy fuck. Bye, Benjamin! Bye, Benjamin!
Yeah, I was gonna say, how much money do you have? Let's go, Ben!
Okay,
Level 5, let's
I
go!
was not thinking that, but it'll
Oh,
be fine
that's
anyway.
not what you were thinking? I don't know what you wanted.
I was gonna just, like, put the last money into Sai, but we don't need to. That's GG!
Holy...
Fucking, here's the trust fall.
Whew. Oh my god.
Ha
Be gone. There is no gloom, stillness.
Let's go!
Woo.
Free play!
Replay!
Just keep it on the
Let's
rightmost
go.
track. Just keep it on the rightmost.
How many more...
We totally fucking
Which is-
lose this round, though.
Guys?
Some
GG.
leaves, but there is no
Let's go!
Let's go!
Okay. Man, shut the fuck up, Insta Collection. Ooh.
Yo! 2001s! Oh, wait, a 110 boomer? Let's go!
We just gotta look at it. Beautiful.
Hold on,
Cool,
I need
black
to look at it.
Puddles. Yeah, you need to look at it for yourself.
I need to look at it, yeah. Alright, map. Expert.
Incredible.
Where is it? I'm blind. Muddy puddles!
Let's go.
Woo!
Thanks
Okay.
to everyone who came to either of our streams.
True. Holy.
I
Wait.
don't have any viewers, so I don't really have a raid.
I also don't have any views. Anyways.
Bloody Puddles